name is Sylvain Seguin. I'm the president for Fixed Network. Been appointed president actually a couple of days ago. I've been with the company since September 2018, where I've acted as the vice president of operation, followed by the executive vice president until late last week, and here I am today. Top priorities for Canada, as we all know, the talent recruiting, making sure that we use our facility to expedite the training for technician that we currently have, and the ones that we don't, actually attracting new talent, but definitely training for the new technologies that are coming our way. It's essential that we expedite the certification of our shop. Today, in the very competitive market, there's a lot of consolidation going on. So you have to fight against, the big player in the industry, and people need a team basically to support them. We have the largest operation team. We're supporting our shops in many different ways, using data to coach our shop and to get them to the next level so that they can perform better. So that's the main training support. That would be the main reason why I believe somebody needs a network like ours. The biggest challenge in our industry is, of course, the lack of certified, qualified technicians. So definitely an obstacle that we need to find solution as a group. I think that our family, the family of our networks, brings that path to hopefully attract more qualified technicians. So definitely that's the key element, attract people into our industry. We, over the last couple of years, we've been spending a lot of time lobbying to all the different ministries in all provinces to make sure that they help us expedite immigration. We all know that the path of solving a lot of the issues that we're having right now will need to come through immigration. Unfortunately, the pandemic has stalled the process because we were for like 2 years that immigration was probably at its lowest. But now we need to again continue pushing forward to make sure that it's a little easier to attract foreign employees. The promising trends, I think that first of all, the most progressive operators will have an opportunity to continue growing. I think that having folks that are looking to get out of the market is one thing, but it's an opportunity for others. The technology, I think that more and more shops are becoming more sophisticated. You need to have people that are more educated in order to be able to fix cars. I think that's going to bring a different light to our industry. And as we get less and less coverage, basically, I think the volume will be directed more and more to the most progressive shops. So I think that there's definitely a light at the end of the tunnel where although you need the technicians and everything else, but the volume and the opportunity will be directed to shops that are invested and are staying on top of their games.